Welcome back, and today we are going to make aloe vera juice. We got some aloe vera here, which I cut yesterday and soaked them in some water to remove the bitterness. And we got half a cucumber, pineapple, and ginger. And this is what we're going to do. We're going to use a hand blender to blend it up and make our juice. We're going to clean up our ingredients now and wash the cucumber. And then add aloe vera. We're gonna clean up our aloe vera. Just remove this bit. Just remove the outer layer. Good if you have a spoon, you can just scoop it out and just cut it out like that. So we're cleaning our aloe vera like that. Just take it out, remove it like that. A little bit. Oh, we're gonna use half of the pineapple. It's nice and sweet. It's ripe, fully ripe. So just peel it. Remove the middle. That should be it. Now our ginger. We need lots of ginger. We like our ginger. I'm gonna just peel our ginger, clean up our ginger. So we need extra amount of ginger because we want it to taste the ginger. And this is our ginger clean up. And now we're going to cut up our stuff. We're going to dice it up, our cucumber. So just dice it. Ginger. Let's get the pineapple. Let's dice up our pineapple. You don't have to cut the aloe vera because it's already soft. Okay, we're going to pour some in this. Is that all of it can hold? It's good. Some water. Not much. Blender or unblender. I'm just gonna blend it out, yeah. Got a big strainer, but you can see that it's very thin, so it's just gonna go straight down. It's gonna take a while to go down, but you gotta be patient, and I'll just leave it. Straining it. That should be it. Okay, let's pour it out. Get some ice. There you go. And there you go. Pineapple, aloe vera, and cucumber with ginger. Let's have a taste. Very nice and refreshing. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.